Hello and welcome to Intelligent Speaker. In this video I will show you what you can do with my functionality. When you install Intelligent Speaker, you'll see the extension icon on your browser right corner. Click on the logo to access your personal Intelligent Speaker feed. Here we go. Now you can see the player. You can add any article, webpage, text segment or content from your local files. Change the language of the interface to your native or the one you prefer. Intelligent Speaker reads in multiple languages. You can listen to your content from the player. You can also create your own podcast and listen to your articles, blog posts, news and any texts on the go, from your smartphone. All you need to do is to send the link to your email address and copy it to any RSS player or application. That's how it works. You add the content you like to the feed. You can create a list of articles or just add one. It's enough to create your podcast. Click the button and in a second you'll get a link to your personal podcast. You can access it easily on your smartphone or tablet. As you see in a second you'll get an email with the instructions. Feel free to use your favorite podcast programs, if you like. You can also follow my step-by-step instructions with the best use cases. At the bottom of the email you'll see the link. Copy it. Then you're to open any podcast application. In this case we use iPhone native podcast app. Paste the link to the field and in a moment you'll be subscribed to your personal podcast. Hope you'll enjoy your new listening experience.